This like behavior that they do where if they find a seed out of a bird feeder or whatever, they'll take it up to a big tree and hatch it open with like that little kind of stubby beak that they have. So the so we have two kinds of nuthatches here. The red-breasted is more common, I would say, overall.
Oh, yeah, that's him.
So that's this guy, and
he was trying to steal our food.
Yeah, I believe it.
Toothpaste. They were trying to land on me while I was brushing my teeth.
This is where things get kind of interesting, is that the nuthatches, especially the red-breasted, but to a degree also the white-breasted, they actually make these mixed species flocks in the wintertime. So most often if you see a nuthatch in the winter, it's going to be alongside chickadees.
Yeah.
Almost always chickadees, tufted titmice.
It's a little self-centered, but...
That is really able to take a lot of like blunt force to it. But the magic, would you like to hold that? You're more than welcome. The magic actually has to do with their tongues.
No way. Oh, I remember now.
back in the bag is the hard part. It takes about 15-20 minutes to get it in the bag, 5 minutes to get it out of the bag, and then we get back home, I have to take it back out and dry it out for a few days. Thanks for watching another Camper 69 video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate any comments that you leave. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye now.